give them up. Everybody up, love we look, yeah, give them up. Yeah.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today all this video is gonna be about is the door lights, the lights in the door, and also, as you guys can see, I have a new tire setup. So right now I'm running a 305 45 17 and some NT 555 R2s for more traction. And also, if you all didn't see the video of the install of the diff brace, the differential brace, go and check it out. But yeah, guys, and make sure y'all go follow me on the IG, man. Keems Media VR30. Let's get it. So I'm gonna show you the lights. So as you guys open your door, when y'all install these lights, you're gonna see the Infinity Q50 on the ground, and you're gonna see the Infinity right there. And also I sell them, so hit me up on IG. As I said, hit me up on IG, and also have it on the other side of the door. So yeah, guys, if y'all like it, make sure y'all hit me up on IG, man. Hit me up on IG. So there it is right there. So yeah, guys, so go get it. And that's gonna be the end of the video. It was just a quick tutorial. So yeah, guys, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.